This is the beauty we are going to unbox today. It's very well wrapped, lots of tape. It was sold to me as a figural group in porcelain. I know it's not porcelain, but let's get into it and see what we can establish. It's tricky, so careful with this sharp knife. Okay, polystyrene. Quite messy polystyrene. Polystyrene nodules, here we are. So, box full of polystyrene nodules. Somewhere inside it will be some bubble wrap. Okay, we found the bubble wrap. Yeah, okay, take this out. Thank you for your purchase. That's nice of them. So I'm going to get rid of the box. I'm going to sit down. So there's the bubble wrap, and you can see that it's a some kind of figure. Bubble wrap. Right. Straightforward. It's a regular shape. Wind it, unwind it. There we go, that's around the head area. Okay, it's coming off now. Let's see on camera what we're starting to get to see. I've got some scissors here which might help. What I don't want to do is unwrap the top and not get to the bottom. I'm conscious that it is very breakable. So although it looks like I'm being slightly aggressive, with my impatience. Okay, so here it goes up the top, and you can start to see the glazed figures. Take this off the bottom. This must be getting stubborn. Okay, ta-da! We have a figural group. We have what looks like a young boy carrying a young girl on his back. Let's look at the back stamp. The back stamp, if you can see it in this line, is a pair of cross ticks with a JB monogram. It's by John Bevington. And I've done some detective work It's actually a model of Paul and Virginia. So Paul and Virginia, written in 1788 by Jacques-Henri Bernadin de Saint-Pierre. In French, Paul et Virginie was a romantic novel widely known in Victorian Britain, and its sentimental appeal made it ideal for artistic interpretations. I'm not sure if this is earthenware or possibly bone china. It definitely isn't Parian. It will have dated from 1870s, 1880s. It's 11 inches tall, by John Bevington of the Kensington Works, Hanley. In 1880, the 11-inch model would have cost 5 shillings and sixpence. It was made in 3 sizes: 11 inches, 13.5 inches and 16.5 inches. This is the smallest of this particular mould. Let's just look a little closer at their faces. So that is Paul carrying Virginia on his back, crossing a stream. I quite like the modelling of the hairstyles. I think you'd call that ringlets. And all young girls in 1880 would have been wearing some kind of pearl necklace. And the classy bit is that even though she and he are barefoot, she's not putting her legs either side of Paul, but in one side he's holding underneath her with one hand, as both feet are on his right hand side. On the left hand side, he's steadying himself with his left hand. This is glazed. It was sold to me as porcelain. Most potters from Stoke-on-Trent didn't make porcelain. They made bone china as the high-end equivalent of porcelain. If it's not porcelain, it will be earthenware that is also made with a white clay and then glazed. I think this is going to be earthenware. Underneath you can see the crossed ticks and the JB, the John Bevington monogram. This would have been slip casted, so earthenware clay poured into a mould, hence the sort of uneven shape underneath the base. Interestingly, the Paul and Virginia model was also made in Parian, which is an unglazed ware, and I think in similar sizes, but this is definitely earthenware, I think, and definitely glazed. The base will be unglazed, even if they've put some glazing on underneath where the mould was formed. And I've just noticed that she's carrying a flower. Isn't that nice? I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you enjoyed this clip, please click the like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.